Good day to our enthusiastic learners. This video is a short clip on how to use Canva in creating your documents as your school project. For example, in editing your alamat in Filipino 9. You can choose either you will install a Canva app or just go to your browser and type canva.com. So you can do this one on your laptop or on your cell phone. So once you are logged in, you can see this one. So if it is your first time, there will be a login via Gmail, Facebook, or other forms. So just choose what you would like. So as you can see, there's a lot of templates already. So just choose there, whatever you like. Or you can type on your search bar above A4 documents portrait to be specific on your bond paper size. Or you can also use long or legal. And there, voila, there's a lot of templates, free templates. So just choose yung walang mga crown or no peso sign so that it would be freely be edited. And then click the template and then click customize template. So it will load and it will show you the page. Okay, now, so once you are on that page, you edit what you would like. For example, Proyekto sa Filipino 9. But then, na-overlap siya. So, i-adjust mo yun. Then, edit your quarter para specific. You'll also drag and then adjust. Then, rename also your name and then my name. So, once na-edit mo na, you can add page actually, pero blank siya. So, what you are going to do, delete mo na yan. Then, punta ka sa upper, duplicate page para same siya ng design. And then, you will edit na the title of your alamat. For example, alamat ng pinya. Then, click mo lang yung iba. Tapos, may trash can yan na icon that is for delete. Oh, sorry. Hindi yun. Control Z lang pag naano mo. Nagkamali ka. So, duplicate lang din yung so, naka-duplicate na. Punta ka ng elements para maka-add ka ng related sa topic mo. So, for example, pinya. In English, we have pineapple. So, there, choose nga walang crown. Kasi pag may crown, it's not free. So, may watermark ng Canva. So, choose something na walang peso sign at walang crown sign. So, pag na-click mo na yon, it will go there and then adjust mo na lang. Then, drag wherever you want it to put your element. And now, if you want to go have your body or laman ng iyong alamat, punta ka ng Google, tapos type mo yung alamat ng pinya summary. Tapos you will choose there some na ma-copy-paste mo so that madali lang yun. So, click mo lang yan, you drag, and then Control-C or right-click, then copy, then click mo dito, tapos i-paste mo. So, malaki yan. So, i-adjust mo yan. You will highlight that one. You can click and then select all. Drag mo lang yan. Adjust para may mali dito. So, delete mo yun. So, drag and then adjust. So, adjust that one. And then, you can Control A and then pupuntang left siya para maganda siya tingnan. You can also Control left tapos justify. Then, add tayo ng elements that is related sa pinya. Pag may hindi ka gustong element, i-click mo lang yan. Tapos, click delete or trash can para mawala yung ibang designs or elements. Para malinis siya tingnan. So, click yung trash can that is for delete. And then, to share your link, Punta ka lang sa share. Only you can access. Change mo yan into anyone with the link. Tapos, copy link. Once na-copy na siya, punta ka sa messenger mo, and then, paste mo yun. Send mo yun sa akin privately. Enter, and then once I will click that one, yan, ma-open ko na rin siya. So that will serve as your output. Thank you for listening. And now, pwede din tayong gumamit ng Canva via cellphone. So I will have this one. Pwede rin apps mo or sa Google ka. So type lang dyan. Pwede kang hindi mag-install ng Canva. So pwede ka pumunta ng Google. Type mo down canva.com and then log in ka. Pwede din yan continue with another account. So pumili ka, may via Gmail doon. Yan. Google, email, Apple, or Facebook. So, you can choose saan ka dyan magla-login. So, once meron ka nang na-choose, makikita mo ito sa screen. So, dyan, pwede kang mag-click ng sa search templates or automatically click mo yung templates. Yung nasa baba. Tapos, search ka ng template. For example, documents. Tapos, yung one paper size niya, A4. Kung naka-portrait ba siya or landscape. So, mas prefer natin yung portrait. So, pumili lang tayo dyan ng template. Free templates. Dami dyan. So, parehas lang natin kanina yung aesthetic na brown. So, click lang din natin dyan and then encode mo yung caption mo for your document. So, we have here Proyekto sa Filipino 9. Same na din ang process nung kanina. Okay? So, click mo lang din yung done. So, pag-adjust yan, iba yung sa cellphone kaysa sa laptop. So, pag mag-adjust ng font size, click mo lang yung words or yung box ng word na yan. Tapos, click mo yung font size. Okay, tapos, ulitin mo or bigger, you adjust anong gusto mo. Then, type na rin sa ibang mga captions mo. Same lang din doon. Okay, you can also have your name in my name. Okay, so nandiyan yung name ko. So, click mo lang yun yung done, tapos click mo ulit or anywhere dyan sa page na yan. And adjust mo lang saan mo siya ilalagay. And then drag lang yung mga nasa gilid. And now, duplicate natin yung page. Click natin yung 3 dots and show yan. So, click natin dyan yung duplicate para same design yung second page. So, now, ganyan yan. Tapos, edit mo yung second page mo. Alamat ng pin niya. And so on. Okay, delete na din yung unnecessary na mga captions para mas malinis. And then, add na naman tayo ng page. Duplicate lang yan na same, para same yung design. So, dyan, for example, diretso na yung pag-encode mo ng summary ng alamat mo. For example, yan. Kita mo yan sa may right, sa center. May A na maliit at may A na malaki. So, you click that one para yung letters mo or font mo may capital and may naka-lowercase. Kasi pag naka-uppercase yan lahat, big letter yan. So, adjust natin yung font size para maliit and then adjust natin kung saan siya. Kano lang yung magkukontinue ng pag-type niyan or mag-copy-paste para mas madali. And then, type sa elements, pineapple. Click pineapple. Drag. And then, choose which side you're going to put your elements. So, choose lang yung elements. So, yan yung napili ko, may Canva. Kasi, may crown yun. So, may Canva watermark. So, hindi yung libre. Okay, just choose walang peso sign at walang crown sign para walang watermark ng Canva. Mas maganda siya tignan. Once you are done, yung sa babaw, meron siyang arrow pataas. Yung ka-align ng crown. For your share button, share mo lang, then share link. Only you can access, change that one into anyone, then copy link. Tapos, i-paste mo yan sa messenger ko. So, that would be all. Thank you for listening. I hope you will subscribe.